Hi, welcome to Scuba.com. In this session we're going to look at the Mares Hybrid Pro Tec BCD, so let's take a closer look. The Hybrid Pro Tec is designed for advanced divers and professional divers. It gives a lot more open movement at the front, and the features of the BCD give a lot more movement generally, so it's a very good BCD for instructors. We'll run around some of the features and point out some of the unique designs on this as well. If we start at the top, got a over-the-shoulder pull dump operated from a toggle. The harness and bladder themselves are separated, so you get a lot more movement on the harness, gives a much more comfortable feel, gives you great freedom of movement when you're actually using it. Coming down, you've obviously got a couple of stainless steel D-rings, pre-bent, so they obviously hook up, makes it much easier to clip things on. Across the chest here, got a adjustable quick release chest strap, obviously tighten and loosen as you need to. It can also be moved up to give a more comfortable feel, especially if you've got a dry suit inflator here, you might need to just move that up slightly. Quick release shoulder straps, obviously adjustable as well, so very easy to adjust the BCD to your own particular size. Small D-ring, just a standard D-ring on there. On the side, got the standard MRS Plus weight system. Very simple to use, and I'll show you it towards the end of the video. There's a quick pull and that releases the mechanism inside and the pocket can come out, but I will show you that shortly. Nice big zip pocket. It's quite small by standard, but if you need to expand it, you just need to open the pouch at the bottom. It's just secured by Velcro, and it's just inside. You can expand that pocket into a much bigger cargo pocket, so the whole pocket becomes the full length of that pouch. Drain pocket in there, point in there as well, so it does allow the water to drain out very quickly. And obviously you can just roll that back up and stow that inside when you're not using it. It's a very useful feature. Standard BCD front waist buckles, so quick release, adjustable on both sides. Then you've got your cummerbunds, obviously Velcro as standard. And if I quickly just show you the back plate. Got the sprung suspension system in here, so it gives a nice soft feel against the back. Also prevents a lot of the banging that might happen obviously when you're moving around with your cylinder. Just prevents that from hitting your back and spine. It's a curved back plate as well, so it gives much better comfort, much better support onto the hips. It's a folding back plate, so it can completely fold in half. Allows it to fold up into a much smaller size. Fits into your luggage nice and quickly, and obviously very easily as well. And at the top we've got another nice big pad over the back plate to give it a lot more comfort. Around the neck area we've got a mesh lined soft material, so it's again prevents irritation around the neck. Obviously dries out really quickly as well. So moving around to the other side, obviously pretty much a duplicate. Don't have a cargo pocket in this side. Obviously you've got the other integrated weight. D-rings. They also supply a nice handy hose retainer there. D-ring on top of the pocket. Provide a whistle on here, it's obviously great for attracting attention if you need it. Mares standard inflator system, so red for in, grey for out. You can obviously inflate from that point as well. It does incorporate a pull dump from here as well, so it runs a cord up to the shoulder, and that is a exhaust valve as well. On the back, see it's a back lift system, so all the back is in this rear bladder. It's elasticated on the sides, drawing the excess material in towards the back of the BCD, stops it flapping around, causing excess drag, and obviously snag points as well. On the back, you can obviously see the two dumps on the top, obviously the pull corded exhaust valve and the integrated valve in there as well. Low profile on both, so again reducing those snag points. quick set strap on top. Obviously once it's set onto your cylinder, gives you the right height to actually fit the cam strap on, and you've just got a simple cam strap style tank attachment point there as well. Back pad has a built-in traction pad, so obviously prevents the cylinder from slipping up and down. And you can also see that it's a lightweight back pad. It's got a lot of hexagonal patterns built into it to obviously reduce the amount of plastic in that back pad, reducing the weight. Now, a great feature about this BCD is that you can actually remove this outer harness sort of vest. It separates away from the harness and the bladder, so if you're going to be travelling away and you need to get your kit nice and light, you can actually remove this whole vest portion away from the BCD, giving you a very, very light travel BCD. Now in here, you've just got some 4 red tags. There's 2 up the top here, and also 2 just underneath the suspension point. And they just lift up, and if you just pop out the retaining pin, so there's 4 retaining pins around the back plate, and that allows you to separate the vest from the back plate and harness, so you can remove this portion completely. So it gives it it's probably reducing about half the weight. It's a very, very good travel BCD after you've taken it out. So it's a unique feature. I don't think anyone else does it in the industry at the moment. It gives you much more versatility. So you can use it for UK, you can use it for warm water. It's a very, very versatile BCD. So if we have a look at the weight system. Weight system, very simple to use. It's just a short, sharp tug on the pocket, and it comes right out. You can also see there that that operates a quick release style buckle in there. The pouch itself is just a simple zippered pocket. It's inside, held down by Velcro in the middle, so you've got a Velcro patch just there. So it does allow you to put a couple of different blocks in, or shop bags, whatever you want to put in there, and that will help secure those in place, stop them moving around. It's a very simple but very effective pouch. And then that literally just slides back in. Put the buckle into the female section, and then it just pushes shut, and that's locked in until you pull on that and release the mechanism again. It's a very simple design, but obviously very effective as well. So that's a fantastically versatile BCD from Mares.